Watch out there. Just one hold off till we forward there, yeah?
Okay, then alright. Tell me something. You just laid there in the bar?
Well, so far, you know, because I don't have no problem with her. Goods, them, stock, alright and everything, you see me? I see a couple people are forwarding and things, you see it?
So when you check out for the night time, the money short or nothing?
No, you know, everything they on track, you know?
Make sure, say, the system when me put in there stay in place. It's a night time, you check off. You say any goods you buy, you make sure you know say that lock way and write down. So if you take out 10, you make sure you write down 10 and put on the shelf, and the rest put in the storage.
Babe, you see what you put in, it will work. Trust me, I'm no trouble, no. About 50 times you tell me this still, you know.
I just want you to know, because I know you are run it, now me I run it, and people will rob you. So I don't really trust people to that.
Know that, man.
You know, say if we consider to get a younger female to come in the bar.
But I want to tell you, say, I'm good with the lady still.
I know Lando, but remember, say the young people them job crowd in the bar, you know, especially the young youth them.
So yeah, say, get one young, big body, sexy girl in the bar.
Hello, yeah, push it now.
So then if me I tell you, say, I'm good with the big woman. And you tell me say, if you get young people in the bar. So you have force it, not even say push it, you have force that.
No, I just look on the traffic where you want to come in the place. You tell me, what kind of people you want to come in the bar?
To tell you the truth, you see, because I want to go on in the area, and young people them cause them things, them really want to work with the elder them, you see me? More money, them will spend more money on them things, you see me? Younger people them not focus the way they.
Alright, I like how you explain to me, say, the big man them want to come spend the money, and next thing, I don't really have a problem with the big woman because it's a nice little lady and she hot, you see me? So, me work with her.
Yeah, Marsha. Where is it? Outside? How far? How far? Marsha says she outside here, so with the youth.
So, she can't carry the baby come inside?
Sure, but just no want a problem start. Just go for the youth and forward, you see me?
So, why when me there at the house, she don't want to carry the youth come, you have to go up the road. Now we there at the park, she outside with the youth.
I don't know. Maybe she just feel intimidated.
Feel intimidated for what? She a baby mother.
Marsha, I say me have forward, man.
Go on, go on. Go on.
Me have forward.
Go on.
So you're not done there already, Marsha? So what, you could have just bring me out come right there, so? Alright, watch out, just done here. Put that on that. Alright.
Hello, Auntie Chef.
Hi, come here. You alright? I like it to touch Palago. You know remember which part of the day for you?
Play, come to play, man. You can go and go. Go and play still, you know?
Go and play,
Go
Papa.
and play. Go here, sir.
So she really come here for an argument today? What kind of argument she now really know?
She now tell me say she see bruise on the outside and ask me where you get bruise from, like, and I pick them and they always a play.
So are the bruise at the pan him side and drop off the table she talk about?
Yeah, man, it's see a man she attack.
She forgot to say a boy pin she have, and boy pin they go always a ramp and could cut up themselves.
Alright, me I tell you. Hold on. What you say? So that you call for Marsha, you really listen me. So me not done tell you say table youth a drop off and bruise inside, man. So you call. What you say? So you really feel like say she would have put her hand for me youth?